Bonjour à tout le monde! Comment ça va? Vous allez bien? I'm just took a shower. My hair is still wet. Police gonna get dry quickly. This morning it was snowing. I was like, oh my god, it's too cold. So didn't feel like going out. I went to the post office just to send some documents. And now it's Wednesday morning, and Wednesday morning is cleaning morning, cleaning day. It's in between the week and before the week end. So it's cleaning day, and today's mission is cleaning this bedroom. So now that all the laundry are dry, I have to prepare everything back again to normal. Fold all the laundry all by myself, because you know in France they don't have a maid. We don't have a maid. It's not fashionable to have a maid in here in this country. You have to do everything. So the goal is take care of all the laundry, fold them all, dry up, take care of all of this, take care of Taya's office, and take care of my office as well. This is all of my office, and this is also my office. So that's the goal. And then after that, you will definitely see how beautiful is this bedroom. Alright, so let's do it! Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it!
One eternity later.
Bah voila! Finally done! Look! It's Taya's bedroom over here. That's my office over here. And that's my another office over here. And that's Taya's office here. And voila! Done! I feel it coming. Just as you. For the past 2 hours and a half, I've been watching Kylie Kinerman vlog in the Philippines. He is a Canadian guy that's been living in Cagayan de Oro for like about 3 years now, and he's been vlogging all about what's happening in the Philippines. And what's the point of this? What I'm saying is that he's been vlogging about eating seafoods, crabs, oyster and shrimps, and a lot of different types of seafoods in the Philippines.
I like it. For me, minsan medyo takot likes shells, but that was good. Salty though. I can taste the asin. You need suka, no? Yes, suka. Next time suka.
It makes me so hungry, and it just makes me missing so much of the seafoods from the Philippines. So now tonight we are going to Wok Dasi. Wok Dasi is basically a Chinese buffet restaurant. I'm gonna eat there so much seafood. A lot of people. Pretty hard to find a parking. I hope that we can find one close to the restaurant, because it's gonna be hard to actually find one right now and walk directly to the restaurant. Find the place.